You got the Budman here. It's 5:15 in the morning, and I'm out in the turkey blind. And I got up about 4. Got out here about 5 o'clock, and now I'm sitting here. 6:01 sunrise. So I'll sit here for a while and see if I can get a turkey. It's a beautiful day to be doing this. This is what life's all about here. It's a beautiful morning. I haven't seen a bird yet, just my decoys out there. I had my mid-morning snack, I had a water. It is a gorgeous day, and it beats going to work. My first live turkey. It's a hen, but at least I see one. Here comes 3 of them. Bird down.
So I was kind of surprised to see this, but right there, that's kind of indicated that's the spread pattern. So you can see it about as it goes farther away from the gun, it expands. So right there, about 10, 15 yards out, it's only about 8 inches to 10 inches roughly in diameter, and when it actually contacts the bird, it's about a foot. So that's what my dad was saying earlier, that when they were too close together, that far out, that spread pattern would have been way too far. You could have risked injuring the other bird, which is definitely something that you do not want to do. And as you can see, as we go to the next frame, it's a textbook shot. You want to hit him right at the neck. So it's a beautiful shot by the Budman. Way to be a good steward. Way to not take a lob shot at those birds that were walking away, because you never know when they just randomly turn right back around like they did.
Bird down. Bird down. Oh, that was cool. That was really freaking cool. Wasn't that cool? There goes the two jakes. Now that was cool. I've had birds, 2 hens, 1 hen, 2 hens, all come over here. A couple jakes come out of here. And then these 3 here, that it's not a real big tom, but it's a decent one, not a huge one. Anyway, that tom and 2 jakes come from over there. Way up there, I called a little bit and they started working their way this way. Then they messed around here a little bit and I couldn't shoot because they were too close, because I don't want to get more than one. Finally, he separated. And waba, Gandhi. Good harvest. Not a real big bird, probably 5-inch beard, but he's gonna eat. Worth it. Came out this morning on our property. I didn't think I'd see too much because they were doing anhydrous on these fields yesterday morning, last night, whatever they got it in. These turkeys don't like a lot of noise and racket, but I did hear this morning there was 2, 3 of them over here. I heard one over there and I heard a couple behind, and they might have been across the road too in our property too, but who knows. But anyway, good hunt. The Budman had a great hunt. So now we got to hike all this stuff all the way down the hill and back over to my truck, which is way over there. So nice little walk, but we'll get her done. So great job. All packed up, ready to go. I got everything I brought up in my backpack, turkey, gun, camera case. I'm gonna load all this up and take it down the hill. So like I said before, it was a great hunt. I can still hear them, a couple of them gobbling down over here somewhere. So I bet if I stuck around here, I could call them in too, I bet. So that's kind of cool. So the next day, Ronald texts me. I gotta go see what he wants. So he's supposed to be up here spraying. One other thing here too. You know what? You can't get any better than this here. You know why? Because we are in beautiful Jackson County, Iowa, folks. This is God's country here. God's country yet.
So I want to hear your feedback, guys. This is the first time doing this different style of format of editing. So like I said, I'm gonna try to basically post a more outdoorsman-y content on this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think down below. Really looking forward to chatting with you. Have a good one. And just remember, stay beautiful from beautiful Jackson County.